Today I'm going to teach you how to use the video widget in Elementor. This feature allows you to embed videos directly into your WordPress pages, giving you complete control over playback settings and timing to create a more engaging experience for your visitors. First, you'll need to go to your WordPress website's admin dashboard and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to all the tools needed to build and customize your pages with Elementor. Next, navigate to the Pages section in your dashboard. Here, you'll want to select Add Page to create a new page where you can add your video. After creating the page, click on Edit with Elementor. This will open up the Elementor Editor interface, which is where all the magic happens for designing your page visually. Once you're inside Elementor, look to the left menu where you'll find a search field. Type video into this search field. This will filter the available widgets and bring up the video widget option, making it easy to locate among all the other elements Elementor offers. Now click or drag the video widget into your page. You can either click it to add it directly or drag it into a specific container or section where you want the video to appear. This flexibility allows you to position your video exactly where it fits best within your page layout. After placing the widget, click on the container or section where you've added it. This will bring up the widget settings in the left panel, where you can customize how your video will function and display on your page. In the Content tab, look for the link field. You'll notice there's already a default link in place. Delete this existing link first, then paste the URL of the video you want to embed. This could be a YouTube link, Vimeo link, or any other supported video platform URL that you wish to showcase on your page. Below the link field, you have the option to adjust the start time and end time if needed. These settings are particularly useful if you only want to show a specific portion of your video rather than the entire thing. It gives you precise control over what your visitors will see. You can also enable autoplay if you'd like your video to start playing automatically when someone visits your page. To do this, simply click Yes from the submenu under the autoplay option. Keep in mind that some browsers may restrict autoplay with sound, so this works best with muted videos. Finally, once you're satisfied with all your settings and customizations, click the Publish button at the upper right of the page to save all your changes. Your video widget is now live and ready to engage your visitors. And there you have it, you've successfully added and configured a video widget in Elementor. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.